build, feel free to follow me on my Instagram. My dad loved cars growing up, so he kind of raised me and my brother into it, and been into cars ever since then. Chose the Miata because I was actually selling Mazdas at the time, and I sold quite a few of these, and just moving them around the lot, I just loved the way the car felt and drove, so decided to get one for myself. So far, I'm slammed on reaction coilovers. I do have my man's 12K and 10K IS300 springs swapped onto them. So I am currently on the 7K Nika S wheels. Shout out to Amar and Bo for hooking me up with these. They're fully custom 3-piece wheels, and you got the 326 power lugs. Gotta flex that real quick. I am currently on Megan control arms all around. I got the upper camber arms and then the toe arms in the rear. And I'm running roughly -4 degrees of camber all around. As far as aesthetic wise, I do have the factory front lip that came with the club trim. It does also come with the black mirror caps and the rear trunk lip. And in here, I do have likewise shift knobs and just a little bit of lighting inside. I pretty much just have a Borla Axelback and a resonator delete, and that's pretty much it for now. There's a lot of plans for it, but as of right now, I want to just go full stance build. I want to get it as low as possible for now, until I break the motor in to maybe 40K miles, 40,000 miles, and then kind of want to either supercharge or turbocharge it, and eventually make it into a drift build. But still kind of new for me to be clapping it out so soon. If you want to keep up with my build, feel free to follow me on my Instagram. That's where all my updates go. But yeah. So far, it's mainly aesthetics.
Bitch. sorry, hold on.
No, it's okay.
Yeah.